Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo and 1688 Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here and asked me to make payments for them on Pinduoduo and 1688 Chinese shopping app, and I decided to make it a video so you can see how to make payment to supplier on Pinduoduo and Pinduoduo and 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So just like what you see on my screen right here, these are all the products we're just going to make payment for right now, both on Pinduoduo and 1688. So the next thing I'm going to do is to exit from my WhatsApp right here, and I'm going to go ahead and open up my 1688. I've opened up my 1688. Next thing I need to do is to go ahead and click on my cart right here. Then we have the product here in my cart. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to select the product. Then click on here and select the second product. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So here we go. Next thing I need to do is to scroll down right here and then go ahead and make sure I click on here to choose my means of payments. So in this tutorial, I'm making payments with my Alipay. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Alipay. Then next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Allow the Alipay to connect. Next thing I'm going to do is to enter my payment password. Now payment done successful. Next thing I need to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. Having made a screenshot, I'm going to click on here to close this pop-up. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So we have it right here, 1 and 2. Next thing we want to do is to exit from my 1688 and proceed to my Pinduoduo right here. Having opened up my Pinduoduo, I'll go ahead and click on my profile icon right here. Then click on here to proceed to my cart. So from the cart right here, these are all the products I want to pay for. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to select the product. Select this one. Then scroll down right here and select this one. Then scroll down right here and select this. Select this. Select this. Select this. Select this. So these are all the products I want to make payment for on Pinduoduo. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Then from the checkout right here, I'm going to go ahead and click on here to switch my address. So I'm going to use this particular address right here, just like so. Next thing we want to do is to scroll down right here and we'll make sure we review everything right here. Lastly, I'm going to choose my Alipay as a means of payment and click on here to proceed to payments. Allow the Alipay to connect. Then enter my payment password. Now payment done, successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to make a screenshot of this proof of payment. Now click on done right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to close this pump up. And I have to go back to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So here we go. We have everything right here. Lastly, I will go ahead and send proof of payment to the person that asked me to make payment for them on my WhatsApp right here. So I'll go ahead and click on here, select my gallery, the first proof of payment and second proof of payment, and say payments done for 1688 and Pinduoduo. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay a Chinese supplier on 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, or JD Shop Point app, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.